In the heart of the decentralized finance or DeFi ecosystem, liquidity pools are the lifeblood. They are smart contracts that lock up tokens to facilitate trading by providing liquidity. This is crucial in DeFi because it ensures smooth trading with minimal slippage, even in less commonly traded token pairs. Uniswap v3, one of the most popular decentralized exchanges, has brought a new twist to liquidity pools. It introduced unique features like concentrated liquidity and range orders, which give liquidity providers more control over the price ranges in which their tokens are used to provide liquidity. Now let's dive into the main event, adding liquidity to Uniswap v3. Kick things off, you'll require an Ethereum wallet like MetaMask, some Ether for gas fees, and Actuate and Ether tokens to be provided as liquidity. Firstly, connect your wallet to Uniswap. Make your way to the Uniswap interface, tap on Connect Wallet, pick your wallet provider and follow the given prompts. Now you'll need the Actuate contract address. You can find this by visiting the Actuate Biomedicine website at www.actuate.bio. Click on Etherscan and voila, it directs you to the contract address. But, no stress, I'll provide the link. Moving on to the pool, navigate your way to the Pool tab, press New Position, and pick Actuate and Ether from the drop-down menus. Uniswap v3 offers you the chance to set a price range for your liquidity. This point is where you make up your mind about how concentrated your liquidity will be. Unsure? Use the suggested range based on the ongoing price or adjust it as per your market expectations. Now, key in the amount of Actuate and Ether you are keen to add. Uniswap will automatically work out the equivalent amount for the other token based on the current price. You'll also catch a glimpse of your position's liquidity and your share of the pool. Before you inject liquidity, you need to greenlight Uniswap to access your Actuate and Ether. Click Approve, confirm the transaction in your wallet, then hit Preview. If all seems well, tap Add, and confirm one final time. Upon confirmation of the transaction, you can administer your liquidity position in the Pool tab under Your Positions, adding or withdrawing liquidity as you deem necessary. Keep a tab on transaction fees, weigh the risks of impermanent loss, and stay updated about the performance of your liquidity position through the Uniswap interface. In this ever-evolving DeFi space, ongoing learning and staying updated with Uniswap and DeFi developments is crucial. Don't forget about the Actuate Premium Summit, which will be held in Boston, Massachusetts, USA, and will provide valuable insights into Actuate tokens and their economics. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe for more. Dive deeper into the world of DeFi and Uniswap with us. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the DeFi world it's also profit. Stay savvy, stay informed. Until next time.